In the jungle, there was a special banana tree that grew a special kind of banana. The banana was so golden that it sparkled and glowed like it had a light inside it. It was the most delicious fruit in the jungle, and every animal in the jungle wanted it, especially the king of the gorillas and the king of the monkeys. The king of the gorillas was very strong, but not a good climber. When the banana looked like it was just about ripe, he sat beneath the tree and shook it several times a day, hoping it would fall down into his wilting grasp. The king of the monkeys was not as strong as the king of the gorillas, but he was faster and he was a much better climber. There was no one in the jungle that could climb as well as he could. Whenever the king of the gorillas was not watching, he would jump over to the tree from a neighboring tree and try to pick it. The stem of the special banana was very strong, though, and he couldn't pull it free, so he had to wait until it was even riper before he could ride. The king of the gorillas finally noticed the king of the monkeys' plan one day, and he grew so angry that he shook the tree with all his might. The banana tree came crashing down, and the king of the monkeys was nearly crushed. The golden banana came free finally and tumbled across the jungle floor. Too angry at each other to notice the banana, the king of the gorillas and the king of the monkeys battled for the right to take the banana. The monkey king was fast and daring, but the gorilla king was impossibly strong. Still, it was an even match. They kept each other busy for a long time until they were both too tired to fight anymore. It was then that they noticed that the queen of the ants had carried off the golden banana and shared it with her colony. They had lost their chance because of their greed. Worse than that, the banana tree had been ruined in their fighting. They would never again taste the sweet and rich flavor of the special bananas. They both wish they would share, for even half a banana is better than none.